Hi, in the last video we created a new Spring Boot project and configure my SQL database. In this video we will create a new React app for our social networking application. So make sure you create a folder where you want your project to be it in desktop or somewhere else. So then click on the open folder, look for the folder that you created. I created my own inside a folder front end project, and here it is. So I have a lot of folders here. So here is the social app project folder. It is an empty folder, so let's select this. Okay, now the folder is selected. Okay, I want to remove this. You see we have this folder. So now let's go to the terminal, new terminal. Okay, here is where we will write a command to create a new React app. Okay, before then let me go to the browser. Here in the Node.js, if you doesn't have Node.js on your machine, make sure you have downloaded the Node.js on your machine. Okay, so now to create a new React app, let me search here. I will show you how to create React app. So here we have this link, search for create React app, and then here is the first link that provided. You see we have create React app, get started. Okay, after getting started, you see this is how you can create your new React app. npx create React app, then the name of the app that you want to create. Okay, so now you can copy this. So we will use this to create React app in the terminal. So now you paste it. Now what remaining is the name of the app that we want to create. Okay, so in my case I will name the project social, or the app social app. Okay, then click enter. So it will take time to create, so I will stop the recording until it finish. You will see the process of creating in the terminal, so you have to wait a little as it is creating the React app. Okay, now finally we created a new React app. As you can see, here is the folder social app inside our social app project folder, and here is the new React app. Okay, before opening any folder here, first let us start the application. We just created it now, and to start it, here we have to write this command cd, then the name of the app. Okay, first let's add cd social app. Okay, now we will write the npm start, so it will start the application. npm start, click enter. So this will start the application. Once it started, we will see in the browser on port 3000. so it will take a little time. Now our app is successfully started. Then if we go to it started on this spot, you see 3000. When you go to the browser, you will see a running React app. Okay, let me open this. So here is the React app. Okay, now let's go back to the React app and check. I will explain how it works. Okay, now let me explain some of these files before going further. You see we have social app, which is the name of the app that we just create. Inside it we have some folders and then followed by files. You see we have this source. Okay, let me open the source. Inside this source we have app.css, app.js. Now let me enter this app.js. This app.js is the main component here that contain the logic that is running here, and we can change the value if we want. You see here is the logic, edit source app.js. you see here is what the code edit source app.js. okay, so as you can see, this is combined JavaScript and as well HTML syntax inside it. It is called JSX, JavaScript XML. It's a JavaScript extension that allow creation of document object model trees using an XML-like syntax. Okay, and it initially created by Facebook. So now let's try to change this code and write something here. Okay, so let me have a h1 and say hi. So if we save this, then you can see we have hi here, and you see this function, it's written export default app. So it is exported. When you see the function exported, there will be somewhere it will be imported. So let's check out where this app is imported. Okay, here in the index.js, you see we have import. It is imported, which is the app here that you see the function is imported inside this index.js, and it is rendered. So we use this CRUD.render to render the app, not only the app but the component. So we are passing all this inside a root, which is a div in the HTML. You see document.getElement by ID. So where is this HTML? If you go to the public, you see we have index.html, and this is the index.html, and you can ask where is the CSS for our app. You see here is the CSS for our app and all this rotation logic here. Okay, and this app.css is imported inside the app. You see we have this import app.css. This is the logic for this app function that we have, and you see we have index.css also. It is the imported here, index.js. okay, so we also have this package.json. you see these are the dependencies that come with the React DOM, React script. These contain the dependency and other important information I will set. Okay, inside the README we also have some of the procedure and information on how to run the React, okay, or on how to use the React. Okay, this is what I will explain so far. In the next video we will create our first component for the social networking app. Okay, let's see you next.